Yes, Yebo Saubona to all soccer fans of the Premier Soccer League, and thank you for joining us on this beautiful Friday, the good start of the weekend, and I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we dive into our details, I would like to take this chance to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. So if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. As Orlando Pirates Football Club gear up for the upcoming season of 2025-2026 with different competitions like the Betway Championship, Nedbank Cup and the prestigious KF Champions League, are now being linked heavy with the move of a talented head coach Marco Rose, a German machine who has passed in various clubs including Borussia Dortmund and RB Leipzig in Germany, and now he has been linked heavy with a move to Orlando Pirates Football Club following the departure of Spanish football manager Jose Rivero. So it is only the matter of time to see if the deal will materialize. We expect Marco Rose will wear the ionic black and white strips of the Buccaneers and help them to restore their dominance in South Africa Premier Division in terms of the Premier Soccer League title and continue to conquer continental dominance. Do you think the deal is going to materialize? Please write a little bit on the box section below. Goodbye until the next time.